Hey my friends, this is Kalam again here. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can create Google Drive link, and this link you will share anyone. It's absolutely free. So after watching this video you are able to do. First of all, I'm going on my computer. You can go on your mobile phone as well. So first of all, I need to select Google Drive. Okay, now select a file here, then just click on this three menu. Then if you want to download, just click on here. Otherwise, if you want to share, just click on share. Then just click on share. Then here are restricted. You need to just click on here, then anyone with the link. So when you are change this icon, everyone it will be able to edit it. But if you are not interested to edit it anyone, just restrict it here. So I am not interested. I want to give access this folder with others person. Just copy link, done. Okay, now go to Facebook, WhatsApp, Twitter, Viber, LinkedIn, and anyone, Gmail, anyone, go and share this link with your friends and any other person. So if you have found this video helpful for you, make sure to like and subscribe this channel. See you again. Take care. Goodbye.